couple seconds left. Let's go ahead and get to work. Let's talk to Stan. Stan, you're on the air.
Right. Now, I got a 2005 Ford Explorer Sport Trac, close to 135,000 miles on it. Bought it brand new. I've never had trouble changing the Serpentine belt before, but this one's got me stumped. I've changed the tensioner and the smooth pulley on top, but it still squeals. And I turned the air conditioner off, and it seems to sometimes the squealing stops, and then I get going pretty good, and then I'll turn the air conditioner on, and then she just squeals, and it'll stop. When the motor gets warmer, after I've driven for a while, the sound kind of goes down. And somebody had said, well, it could be your air, the air conditioning pump pulley, but when I spun it, when I had the belt off, it seemed to be free and everything, but that's the only thing left that I can figure out what might be wrong.
Yeah.
Would that be right in my assumption?
Well, Stan, you got another issue there, too. There's two things. If the belt's good and tight and the tensioners are okay, it's like this. One of the things that happens is when an old belt starts wearing, it'll leave little rubber particles in behind and get into the pulleys. And then when you go and you put a load on it, like with the AC, that old rubber could still be in those grooves in those for your serpentine belt rides. Anytime you replace a serpentine belt, you've got to inspect every pulley on there. Every groove you got to inspect it. If there's rubber still embedded in there, you're going to have the awfulest mess on your hands ever was. Now, the other scenario is if that old compressor is worn out and it is just requiring too daggone much pressure from the engine to turn that compressor nowadays. If it's an original compressor, it may just be requiring so much from the engine to turn the compressor that the belt's making noise. So there's two things there that, but you'd be surprised how many people bring one in that's making belt noise, and we get it in there, we pull the belt off of it, we start inspecting the pulleys, and sure enough, there's old belt material still down in the grooves. And when that happens and that belt runs across it with a load on it, it's going to make daggone noises. So those are the two things that I'm going to suggest that you kind of go back over and take a look at. Let us know if we can help you, and we appreciate your call.